In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a subtask in Smartsheet. Smartsheet is a powerful tool used for project management, and knowing how to effectively organize tasks and subtasks can significantly enhance your workflow and collaboration. So, let's dive right in and turn those tasks into a well-structured web of productivity. First, you'll want to find the row where you intend to add your subtask. Perhaps you've already outlined a project and you realize that a particular task needs to be broken down further into subtasks. Once you've identified that spot, all you need to do is right-click on the row number. A helpful menu will appear, and from there, you'll want to select Insert Row Below. This action will seamlessly create a space directly beneath your chosen task so you can insert more detailed actions or steps that constitute the subtask. For those who appreciate a good keyboard shortcut, you can also press Ctrl+I if you're using Windows or CMD+I on a Mac. This is an efficient way of inserting a new row without breaking your flow. Now that you have this fresh row ready, the next step is to indent it, which officially categorizes it as a subtask. Click on the newly inserted row to select it. In the toolbar above, you'll see an indent button, which resembles an arrow pointing to the right. Go ahead and click this button to move your row inward. Simple as that, your new row is now visibly a subtask of the one directly above it. The indentation visually nests the task and establishes a clear hierarchy, helping everyone involved in the project to see at a glance how tasks are interconnected. Of course, if you love shortcuts, you can also achieve this by using the keyboard. Press Ctrl+ on Windows or CMD++ on a Mac, and watch as the row smartly shifts into place. By following these steps, you're not just organizing rows. You're crafting a narrative for your project that tells everyone what needs to be done, how it's connected, and what comes next. Creating subtasks in Smartsheet allows you to break a large task into more manageable pieces, ensuring nothing falls through the cracks. This detail-oriented approach can significantly streamline everything from assigning responsibilities to tracking progress. And that's it! You've just learned how to add a subtask in Smartsheet with ease. With these tools at your disposal, you can now take charge of your projects more effectively, making sure every detail is accounted for. Thank you for watching, and until next time, keep organizing and stay productive.